Hello, my name is Pratik Kamble. I have been a participant of this import-export course since the beginning. One of the main things that I have benefited from is the experience. All the professors or the people who had come to explain things to us have more than 20 years of experience in their respective fields, in banking, in dealing with DGFT, etc., which is one of the main things that I was looking for in import and export. Um, they have given us specific examples of how things work practically on the in the real terms and in real time, and how to address any issue that you may face while you're doing an export shipment or an import shipment. My experience so far has been very great, and I'm very thankful to MCCIA for organizing something like this. Uh, it's a very convenient thing that it happens once a week, and you can make time from your schedule for this. The kind of literature also that is provided for our for this course is very specific to what we need, and it an overall experience. I would recommend it to anybody who's interested or is in exports or imports and is dealing with government agencies, banks, etc.